works on it.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walk alone.
Oh my God!
Near the streets of cobblestone. With the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. As my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. Through the naked light I saw 2,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people sharing songs without ever using voice. We all rejoice to the sound of silence. Who said you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you.